Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Together. I'm Ash.
And I am Nikki. Today we have a fun and relaxing topic holiday English conversation. We will talk about travel, vacations, holiday at home, festival holidays, planning trips, and lots of useful phrases.
Yes, and we will explain every new vocabulary word so you learn naturally.
So grab a cup of tea and enjoy this holiday talk with us.
Yes, let's go. So, Nikki, how's your last holiday?
It was amazing. I went to Goa with my cousins. We stayed near the beach.
Oh, wow! What did you enjoy the most?
Honestly, the sunset. They were so beautiful.
Oh, sunset. It means when the sun goes down in the evening.
Yes. And we also tried some local food,
What kind of food?
seafood, like prawns and fish curry.
Nice. My last holiday was a stay at a home holiday.
Oh, you mean staycation?
Exactly. Staycation. It means a holiday where you stay at home and relax instead of traveling. Some conversation continues just like cleaning the house, watching movies, sleeping late, self care, and last, reading books.
So, guys, now we learn vocabulary. First, sunset. It means evening time when the sun goes down. Second, staycation. It means holiday at home. Third, local food. It means food from that place. Fourth, relax. It means rest peacefully. And fifth, self care. It means taking care of yourself. So, Ash, what's your dream holiday destination?
Switzerland, snow, mountains, and hot chocolate. It's a perfect combination.
Same. I want to visit Japan someday
Oh, why Japan?
because I love their culture
Oh, culture. It means tradition and habits of people.
and their food, ramen and sushi.
Oh, ramen. Seriously, what activities do you want to do in Japan?
Shopping, seeing cherry blossoms, and visiting temples.
Cherry blossom means pink flower that bloom in spring. So now some conversation questions. First one, where do you want to go? Second, why do you want to travel there? Third, what will do you first? And last, what is your dream travel outfit?
So, guys, now we learn vocabulary. First, destination. It means the place you are going. Second, culture. It means lifestyle and traditions. Third, bloom. It means flower opening. Fourth, outfit. It means clothes you wear. And fifth, temples, place of worship.
Nice, Nikki. Let's teach our listeners how to plan a holiday in simple English.
Yes, step by step.
Step 1, choose the place I want to go to. I am thinking about visiting.
Step 2, decide the dates. When should we go? Or let's check the calendar.
Step 3, make a budget. Budget, it means plan for money.
We should not spend too much. Let's some Let's save some money for food.
4. Book tickets and hotels. We need to book our flight or train. And let's find a clean hotel.
Step 5. Pack your bags. Essentials. Important things you always need.
Like clothes, chargers, medicines, and toiletries.
Toiletries. It means shampoo, soap, brush, etc. Some vocabulary section. First, budget. It means money plan. Second, essentials. It means important items. Third, toiletries. It means bathroom items. Fourth, book. It means to reserve. And fifth, calendar shows the dates.
Nice, Nikki. Sometimes holidays don't go perfectly.
Yes, travel problems happen. Let's teach how to talk about them.
Common problems and conversation. Problem number 1, lost luggage.
Excuse me, my bag is missing.
Please describe your luggage. Problem number 2, delay flight. Your flight is delayed by 2 hours.
Is there any compensation? Compensation means something given for loss.
Yes, right. Problem number 3, wrong hotel room.
This is not the room I booked.
Let me check your reservation.
Here are some vocabulary. First, missing. It means not found. Second, compensation. It means money or benefit for inconvenience. Third, reservation. It means advance booking. And last, delayed. It means late.
Holiday doesn't always mean travel. It can be festival too.
Yes, like Diwali, Christmas, New Year.
Yes, don't forget Eid. And let's talk about how we celebrate.
In Diwali, we clean the house, decorate with lights, and eat sweets.
And in Christmas, people exchange the gifts. Decorate, it means to make something beautiful. And exchange, it means give and receive. So, here's some questions. Let's start, Nikki.
Okay, Ash, what festivals do you celebrate?
Second, how do you celebrate with your family?
And third, what special food do you make?
So now, some let's practical and practice. Repeat after us.
First one, where are you going for the holidays?
Second, I am planning a short trip.
Third, I want to relax and enjoy.
Fourth, I love holiday vibes.
And fifth, let's make some good memories.
This was such a relaxing episode.
Yes, holiday always make us smile.
We hope this podcast help you learn holiday English comfortably.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to
Learn
Learn
English
English Together.
together. See
See you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next
episode.
episode.
Bye.
Bye.